Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I am cash stuffing is to save for 6 months of expenses for me and my family. So today we're actually going to be cash stuffing our 6 months of expenses. So I'm putting a little bit in slowly, and I did condense this from my last 6 months of expenses that I had earlier on in videos. So now I just condensed it into 3 categories. We also are going to be cash stuffing my debt. So I did decide to add debt into this. I didn't have it before, but now I have cash envelopes for debt. So we are going to be cash stuffing 6 months of expenses today, and as well as debt. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yesterday's video where I cash stuffed my sinking funds as well as my business bills. And then the week before that, I cashed off my variable expenses, which is my wallet. And that's day-to-day spending that I try to keep usually around $70 to $80 a week just to save money. So yeah, guys, let's jump right into this video. So I do have my budget planner here, and I did write down everything as how much I'm going to be cash stuffing today. So let's just get to that page. Okay, so this is sinking funds. We have debt. So I have Home Depot, I have Chase, and I have Klarna. And then we also have our 6 months of expenses, which I have in fixed expenses. And this is available for purchase in my shop. It's my budget planner. So it has weekly and it has monthly, and it's reusable. So you use a Sharpie and you can erase it with alcohol. So this is reusable, and there's no dates on it or anything. So you put the dates you want to put on, etc. Okay, so 6 months of expenses is going to be only mortgage, emergency, and savings. So that's just to condense everything into 3 categories. Before I used to have like a category for everything as far as like car note and things like that. So I figured with emergency and savings, it'll just be all of that in one. Okay, so let's jump right into the cash stuffing. So I'm going to leave this right here. And we're going to start with the 6 months of expenses. So this is my binder. This is my new cover. It says you can do hard things with a heart on it. And I do have new cash envelopes in here as well. So these I used to have matte finished, the cherry blossom, but I did change it to the shiny now. So it's like a shiny vellum. So this is what I'm using now. These are not available in my shop. I only have the matte vellum ones that are available in my shop. And those are the ones I used to use in my old videos. And also take a look if you guys haven't seen this. These binders are personalized with your name on it. So that's mine right there. And yeah, okay, so let's get right into it. So mortgage, hold on, let me just fix this here. Okay, so mortgage is going to get a total of $10. And like I said, in my 2025 new setup, I am starting over with everything because I just condensed things. So everything that I had in my envelopes from previous videos, I did add to the bank. And this is just like a refresh start over for 2025. Okay, emergency is going to get $10. Savings is going to get $10. And let me know if you guys like this setup of like just giving you a little bit in each video instead of doing a whole long video cash stuffing everything. I feel like this works out better because some people kind of do get bored watching long form videos. So I try to keep this a minimum of 6 minutes, so you guys can just get like whatever I'm cash stuffing for that moment in that binder. And also, please leave a comment below if you guys want me to do a savings challenge video, or you would like for me to keep them in my shorts playing the games and things like that. Or I can add the games to a form of a video. If you guys would like to see that, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, Home Depot is going to get $10. And I did pay for this month. Yeah, I did pay for this month. So this is going to be for January. Klarna, I owe on the 13th. So I'm going to add $10 to that. And for Klarna, I think I owe like $70. So probably next week I'll put the rest in, or like amount more. It's probably going to be the rest in. Chase is going to get $10. And I did pay for this month. So this is going to be towards next month for my Chase card. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Let me know down below, how are you saving for 2025? What cash stuffing method are you guys using as far as binders, categories, and things like that? And if you have any suggestions for me, please leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.